My name is Michael Myers. I'm a lecturer in horticulture at Craven College. Because I've been involved in horticulture since leaving school, I've got quite a wide background, both in the sort of the scientific aspects such as botany and plant sciences, but also landscaping and propagation. So it gives me a very sort of wide range of sort of skills. I have a number of courses where botany is taught for the RHS courses, but I've also been a landscaper as well, specialising in designing and building gardens. And so that comes in very useful for the amenity topics that we teach here. Not only offer courses here in Skipton, but we have courses at Harlow Carr, the RHS's garden in Harrogate, Rip and Wall Garden and Horticap. And have all sorts of links with other providers in the north of England and industry. But probably the biggest thing that we frequently do is do show gardens at the Harrogate flower shows, where students from a wide range of courses can often take part. This last year we've actually had 3 different courses designing and building a show garden at Harrogate, and that won a gold medal. Some students have gone on to work for organisations such as the Royal Horticultural Society, the National Trust, English Heritage. The vast proportion of people working in horticulture either work for themselves or in very small businesses, and so that is one of the key sort of areas that we also try to help them with by sort of looking at how to actually run a successful business. It's one land-based profession which has at the moment a dearth of really well-trained operatives. There's quite a lot of jobs out there for horticulturists, and so that's one of the key things that we want to do here at Craven College, is to teach students how to actually work in the industry and work effectively.